We entered the deep ocean, expecting silence. But something felt different.
The first discovery didn't make sense.
Something was watching.
And something was hunting. Others were reacting. Adapting instantly.
Then everything changed. The ocean shifted. Something was moving below. Then nothing. No life at all. Until we found this. A pattern. Repeating.
In the signal.
Everywhere. Leading somewhere. We followed it. Deeper than before. Where nothing should exist. But something did. Something massive. Moving beneath us. The ocean reacted. Everything was escaping. We saw movement. And the mark led us. Then we saw it. It saw us first. Subscribe to uncover more mysteries hidden in the deep ocean.